Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and clearing space. This prevents accidental damage. First, gently pull the outer ring away from the ear cup at the seam. Use steady pressure to release the clips. You'll feel a few pops as the retainer disengages. That's normal. Once the ring is off, peel the pad away from the inner frame and retain any metal rings or plastic clips you find. Make sure to set these parts in order. You'll need them for precise alignment later. Now you align the new ear cup with the driver opening and any cable cutouts. Orientation matters for mic placement and comfort. Start by tucking one side into the groove, then work around the circumference, pressing each clip into place. Do this progressively so tension is even. If the pad uses light adhesive, apply a thin bead sparingly where the original adhered. Too much glue will distort fit. Once seated, run your thumb around the rim. Finish by pressing the retention ring back onto the ear cup until you hear a series of even clicks. These confirm clip engagement and seal. Once done, reconnect and power the headset to test left-right audio balance and microphone pickup. Speak into the mic and check audio levels. If you notice looseness or gaps, remove the ring and inspect clips for damage, then reseat or swap the retainer ring. Troubleshooting tip. If one side sounds muffled, check pad orientation and that the foam isn't blocking the driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.